In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to clear the memory on the 3504 controller. Press the page key until access appears. Use the up arrow key and select Config. Enter the default passcode number 4. Use the scroll key and scroll down to config code. Use the down arrow key and select 0. Press the scroll key until clear mem appears. Using the arrow keys, select the type of memory reset you wish to use. In this case, we will clear the entire memory. This will take us back to the quick start code. Accept, clear memory. The 3504 will now restart. And we are back now to the quick start code for you to enter all your configuration details.